Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you very important lesson which is very helpful for spoken English. If you came to watch my video first time, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. In this video, in this class, I am going to teach you about use of there, and after that I will teach you also after use of there when we should use is and are. So let's start this class. So students, you can see there are some sentences also. Okay, and first of all I am going to tell you very important things. Okay, that is just like we have one sentence and that sentence is एक लड़का है. The sentence is in Hindi. Okay, so usually if you have no any grammar knowledge, then how will you speak about this sentence, and how will you translate this sentence? Usually some people will think एक लड़का है, एक means a, लड़का means boy and है मतलब is, so they will tell a boy is. So people who have no grammatical knowledge, who have no grammar knowledge, they will say like that. But you if you are also thinking like that, then you are completely wrong, and in this video I am going to tell you which way you are wrong and you will improve yourself. So this is completely wrong. Okay student, according to English grammar, this is completely wrong. We should never speak or we should never write like this. Okay, this is completely wrong. So then how we can say in English? So we should use there. Okay, there is what? There is introductory. Okay, so एक लड़का है, that means there is एक लड़का, there is boy, there is boy. Okay, you can write down. तो ओके स्टूडेंट, तो देर आर एक लड़का है, दैट मीन्स देर इज अ बॉय, इट विल बी करेक्ट. ओके, it was missing. There is a boy, there is boy, this is completely correct. Why I use here? You can ask from me, sir, why use here? Because in this sentence they are talking about one boy. Okay, एक लड़का, that's why I use here a. That means to complete sentence will be there is a boy, that means in Hindi एक लड़का है. Is it clear student? And now I am going to describe about another sentence, because we have many sentences. So our first question is, and from this sentences I will teach you when we should use is or are after there. So एक लड़का है, how we can say in English, how we can speak in English. तो एक लड़का है, तो this type of sentence we should use always there. Okay, so you should always keep remember because it is introductory. एक लड़का है, that means एक लड़का है, both are same. So there is a boy, and let me explain this sentence. So our sentence is there is a boy. So why I use here there? Because all this type of sentence we should always follow, we should always use there. What is this? There is introductory. Okay, it is called introductory in English grammar. And after that I use here is, because एक लड़का है, we have sentence there is a boy, मतलब they are talking about one boy, one लड़का, a boy. And now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is what? Our another sentence is वहाँ एक लड़का है. तो how we can speak in English? How we can speak in English? How we can say in English? तो वहाँ एक लड़का है. You should think about it. वहाँ. This is little bit different, and this is the one sentence. We have already learned this type of sentence. एक लड़का है, एक लड़का है. This is same. This is फ्रॉम हेयर एक लड़का है, दिस इज सिमिलर टू दिस सेंटेंस, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, एक लड़का है एंड एक्स्ट्रा दे एड ओनली वहां, वहां, यहाँ. And from this sentence you can make different type of sentence and you can use in your day to day life and you can improve your spoken English. Is it clear student? Just like वहाँ, just like एक लड़का है तो there is a boy, एक लड़की है there is a girl, एक पेन है, एक पेन है there is a pen. उसके बाद एक कलम है there is a pen, एक मोबाइल है there is a phone. ओके, तो वहां एक लड़का है, तो एक लड़का है, दैट मीन्स हाउ वी कैन से इन इंग्लिश, एक लड़का है, देयर इज अ बॉय, देयर इज अ बॉय, दैट मीन्स एक लड़का है. आफ्टर देन व्हाट इट इज टेलिंग, वहां एक लड़का है, एक लड़का, इट इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली एक लड़का है, इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वहां एक लड़का है, मतलब समवेयर, ओके, एनी प्लेस. तो देयर इज अ बॉय एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू जस्ट लाइक वी हैव अनदर वर्ड इन हिंदी. फर्स्ट इज यहां एंड अनदर वर्ड इज वहां. It is Hindi word. Is it clear student? And now I am going to explain these two words. तो यहाँ means what? If you will ask from me what is the meaning of यहाँ and what is the meaning of वहाँ, यहाँ means it is very near from us. Just like when I will talk anything about and which is near to us, which is near to me, then I should use always यहाँ. And वहाँ means something which is very far away from me. Very far away मतलब not just like I am living in New Delhi and I am talking about something another country, another place. मतलब little bit then far away, very far away. That means at least we can see. Okay, so यहाँ. And sometimes far away, which will be very far away, you can use also. So यहाँ, and how we can say in English? तो यहाँ means here, and वहाँ means there. Is it clear, student? So यहाँ means here and वहाँ means there. So there is a boy there. वहाँ एक लड़का है. There is a boy there. Now full stop. So this is our correct sentence and let me explain it. तो there is a boy, that means एक लड़का है, और कहाँ एक लड़का कहाँ है, तो वहाँ एक लड़का है. That's why there is a boy there. This is correct sentence. Okay, and now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is दो लड़के हैं. That means दो, it is plural form, and लड़के two boys, there are two boys, so it is also plural form. So how we can say in English, how we can speak in English? तो दो लड़के हैं, that means there are, दो लड़का, that means two, there are two boys. Full stop. Let me explain this sentence. So this sentence, दो लड़के हैं, तो there are two and boys. Why I use here boys plural form? Because they are talking about two boys. They are not talking about one boy. That's why I use here plural form of boy. Okay, because of they are talking about two boys, and there are. So is it clear, student? And now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is लड़के हैं. तो how we can speak in English? तो लड़के हैं. And let me tell you, students, first of all, in the start of the video, I told you in this video I am going to teach you about when we should use is or are after use of there. So I am going to tell you right now. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इज का हम लोग प्रयोग करते हैं जब कोई भी, इज का प्रयोग हम लोग करते हैं जब देयर के बाद कोई भी, जब जब सिंगुलर नाउन का प्रयोग किया जाता है तो हम लोग इज का प्रयोग करते हैं, और जब प्लूरल नाउन का प्रयोग किया जाता है तब हम लोग देयर के बाद आर का प्रयोग करते हैं प्लूरल के साथ। जस्ट लाइक इन दिस सेंटेंस यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, यहाँ पे हम लोग, यहाँ पे मैं क्या प्रयोग किया है बच्चों, देयर आर। तो यहाँ पे हम देयर इज भी बोल सकते थे, क्या बोल सकते थे, देयर इज। यहाँ पे यदि ऐसे बोलते इस सेंटेंस को, देयर इज टू बॉयज, तो ये हमारा क्या हो जाता, गलत हो जाता, देन इट विल बी कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग अकॉर्डिंग टू इंग्लिश ग्रामर। व्हाई इट विल बी रॉन्ग? because when we are talking about plural noun, plural number, okay, then we should use always are after use of there. And when we will talk about singular number, singular noun, then we have to use is after the use of there, okay. So you should always keep remember is and are, मतलब let me tell you again, then you will remember easily. इज का प्रयोग हम, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन हिंदी, इज का प्रयोग हम लोग तब करते हैं जब सिंगुलर नाउन का प्रयोग, सिंगुलर नाउन के बारे में बात किया जाता है तो देयर के बाद हम लोग इज का प्रयोग करते हैं, और जब सेंटेंस में प्लूरल नाउन के बारे में बात किया जाता है तो देयर के बाद हम लोग आर का प्रयोग करते हैं। जैसे देयर इज अ वाटर, देयर आर टू बॉयज, देयर आर सम गर्ल्स, and when we will talk about only one girl, then we will tell there is a girl, that means there is a girl, there is a girl, वहाँ एक लड़की है, okay. So now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is लड़के हैं, तो how we can speak in English, लड़के हैं, that means they are talking about plural number. So लड़के हैं, there are boys, बहुत सारे लड़के हैं, there are boys, okay. I use here are because they, in this sentence they are talking about plural number, that's why I use here are there के बाद, okay. So now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is 400 लड़के हैं, they are talking about 400 boys. तो how we can speak in English? तो 400 लड़के हैं, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड राइट देयर 400 लड़के हैं, देयर आर 400 boys, that means 400 लड़के हैं. Now I am going to explain this sentence, break down this sentence. So they are talking about 400 लड़के हैं, 400 लड़के हैं. This is our sentence in Hindi. So how we can speak in English? So first we should tell there are, okay, because this type of sentence we should use there always. So there are कितना लड़के हैं, how much boys, there are how much boys, तो 400 boys. So there are 400 boys. We should always use here plural form because there are 400 boys. They are not talking about one boy. They are talking about many boys, 400 boys, and that number is also mentioned. That's why we should use always here plural form. It will be depend on the sentence. And I use here are because 400, they are talking about 400 boys. That means plural number के बारे में वो बात किया जा रहा है, वहाँ पे बात किया जा रहा है यहाँ पे. That's why I use here are. Is it clear, student? And now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is एक गधा है. तो how we can speak in English? तो एक गधा है, तो we should tell there first. एक गधा है, there is an S. Full stop. Now let's break down this sentence. So एक गधा है, they are talking in this sentence, they are talking about मतलब one, they are talking about one S, okay. So there is they are talking about one s, that's why I use here is. Okay, otherwise if they are talking in this sentence, if they are talking about many gadha, matlab many s, then we should use here are. So you should always keep remember in your brain, in your mind, when it will be, when it is changing, it is changing according to the singular number and plural number. Okay, so there is, and s means what? S means gada, and I use here n. Why I use here n? Because this s word, this is s word s, and this is starting from vowel sound. It gives us vowel sound, and vowel जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं स्वर. Is it clear, student? So it is giving, it gives us vowel sound. That's, and before vowel, vowel sound, जब किसी भी सेंटेंस में वोवेल साउंड जब आता है तो हम लोग उसके पहले क्या लगाते हैं बच्चों? ए ई आई ओ यू, मतलब ए ई आई ओ यू, दीज आर आवर वोवेल्स. सो इसके पहले हम लोग क्या लगाते हैं? एन का प्रयोग करते हैं, और बाद बाकी जो रहता है उसमें हम लोग अ का प्रयोग करते हैं, ए का. सो ये वोवेल साउंड दे रहा है, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ पे एन का प्रयोग करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे आप लोग बेसिकली यहाँ पे ये याद रखो, वोवेल जो साउंड देता है तो वोवेल के साथ एन का प्रयोग किया जाता है, और कंसोनेंट के साथ हमेशा ए का प्रयोग किया जाता है. तो ये हमारा बेसिकली क्या है बच्चों? ट्रिक है. ये हमेशा आप लोगों को याद रखना है. यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. ओके, एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. आवर नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज पानी है. तो हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? पानी है, हाउ वी कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश? So we should tell पानी है. There पानी है. There is water. Let's break down this sentence. There is water मतलब पानी है. तो this type of sentence we should always use there word. Okay, because it is introductory sentence. So there is water. Water means पानी. So पानी है, या you can make a different sentence also. पानी है, that means there is water. तालाब है, there is pond. उसके बाद नदी है, तो there is river. So you can tell like that. नदी है, you cannot see, you cannot tell like that. नदी है, that means river is. You should always use introductory. Okay, so that's why you should use नदी है, there is river. उसके बाद you can make many sentence from it. Okay, so now I am going to talk about our another sentence. Our another sentence is वहाँ पानी है. तो you can see students here. तो वहाँ it is little bit different, and पानी है, this is our one sentence. तो पानी है, how we can speak in English? पानी है, तो we should, पानी है, that means there is water. तो there is water, what is the meaning of this? There is water means पानी है. And this sentence, in this sentence it is talking about वहाँ पानी है. कहाँ पानी है? तो वहाँ. That means that पानी is, water is not very close to us. Water is far away from us. So that means, that's why we should use here means what? I told you here na, here means यहाँ, and वहाँ means there. So we should use कहाँ पानी है? यहाँ पानी है, तो there means यहाँ पानी है, that means here. यहाँ पानी है, तो there is water here. If in this sentence another sentence, you can create another sentence, that is first this sentence is यहाँ पानी है, another sentence you can make वहाँ पानी है. तो वहाँ पानी है, then how we can speak in English? तो we should tell there is water there. मतलब पानी कहाँ है? तो वहाँ पानी है. So that's why there is water, that means पानी है, and वहाँ पानी है, so there means वहाँ. And now I am going to talk about our next sentence. Our next sentence is एक राधा है, कोमा एक मीरा है. तो how we can speak in English? So एक राधा है, So we should write there is a Radha, कॉमा एक मीरा है. comma there is a Mira, full stop. So let's break down this sentence. So this sentence मतलब it has combined with two sentence, two different sentence, two different sentences. Okay. So एक राधा है. How we can speak in English? तो एक राधा है. That means there is a Radha. Because they are how many Radha? Only one Radha. There is only one girl. Okay, if there are many girls, then we should use always plural are, and I use here is because there is only one girl, that is Radha, and I use here you already know बच्चों, you already know. यदि हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर में कोई भी सेंटेंस को स्टार्ट करते हैं तो उसका पहला लेटर हम लोगों को हमेशा कैपिटल रखा जाता है. When we start any sentence, when we start to write any sentence in English according to English grammar, then we should use always capital letter. We should start from capital letter. And कोई भी सेंटेंस में कोई भी लंबा सेंटेंस है या कहीं भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है इंग्लिश में, कुछ लिखना है हम लोगों को, और बीच में किसी का नाम आ गया, किसी व्यक्ति का नाम आ गया, तो किसी व्यक्ति का जो पर्सन का नाम होता है उसका पहला लेटर भी हमेशा आर से लिखा जाता है. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? इसको यदि आप यहाँ पे राधा लिख दोगे, ऐसे लिख दोगे राधा, तो ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? ये हमारा गलत हो जाएगा इंग्लिश में. तो ये नॉन को हमेशा कैपिटल से ही लिखा जाता है, पहला लेटर कैपिटल से. एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पे मैं देयर में यहाँ पे स्मॉल लेटर ही लिखा हूँ, क्योंकि ये एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. ये एक अलग अलग सेंटेंस नहीं है, दोनों सेंटेंस को एक साथ मिला दिया गया है. यदि एक अलग सेंटेंस रहता तो यहाँ पे कैपिटल से स्टार्ट करते. उसके बाद देयर इज अ मीरा, बिकॉज इन दिस सेंटेंस आल्सो इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट वन मीरा, वन गर्ल, अनदर गर्ल. सो देयर इज अ मीरा. ओके, सो आई होप you understood. So now I am going to talk about another sentence. Our another sentence is यहाँ सोना है. तो from this sentence you can understood also, यहाँ it is different and सोना है it is different. तो सोना है, that means in this sentence it is talking about gold. You know gold. What is gold? Gold is a name of jewelry. Gold, after then silver, diamond, all these are jewelry, and these are very expensive. Okay, usually very poor people cannot buy this expensive jewelry. So यहाँ सोना है, how we can speak in English? तो यहाँ सोना है तो that means there is gold, and यहाँ there is gold here, full stop. So let's break down this sentence. So यहाँ सोना है, how we can speak in English? There, how we can speak in English? यहाँ सोना है तो there is gold, and I use here is because in this sentence it is talking about only one gold. Okay, so that's why I use here there is, and after then I use here because कहाँ सोना है? तो यहाँ सोना है, that means they are talking about very near. So that's why I use here, यहाँ पे here का इस्तेमाल किया गया है. यदि आप लोग यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये बोलोगे there is gold, मतलब यहाँ सोना है there is gold, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा. सिर्फ सोना है का हम लोग बनाते हैं, बोलते हैं there is gold मतलब सोना है, यहाँ सोना है that means there is gold here, मतलब यहाँ सोना है. और यदि इसको हम लोग अलग वे में बोलते हैं, एक दूसरे वे में, कि वहां सोना है, तब हम लोग इसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं देयर इज गोल्ड देयर. देयर मीन्स वहां और हेयर मीन्स यहाँ. So hello students, I hope your dot has been cleared, and I hope you really enjoy this video and you have learned lots of things from this video. And if you came to watch my video first time, then please do share this video, do share, like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to join with me for getting latest updates, then you can join through telegram link, and you can support me through follow my all the social media handle, and all the links will be provide in the description box, so you can follow me on my all the social media handle. And thanks for watching this video. Take care, wish you all the best, and we will meet very soon.